have one power unit on the front of this one.
So it must not be a real big one, huh? Or it could be empty. He's not moving too fast either.
Oh,
The last
SD
after they came on.
that's an SD70 locomotive.
I was asking him who has the most powerful locomotive. Depends, right?
They're all the they've all got 44,000 horsepower roundabouts. But that's an SD70. You can tell.
Eastbound Union Pacific 1989 Rio Grande.
GM, EMD is by the fuel tank.
The last one we saw going the other way and ended up stopping there and hit over 100 double stack. Wow. Blocked the middle and blocked across here essentially. I guess it was going back into the yard. But,
Well, there is an intermodal yard over
yeah,
there,
right? Exactly. And that's what they said. He was kind of pausing before he went in there, so it must have been empty. But the other one that came the other way, they said on the BN, they cleared it.
These are loaded though.
Oh, how do you know?
You can kind of tell it's compressed a little bit, so it's not empty.
Are the names heavier?
Yes. Yes. And like a coal train, they're so close, they almost can't fall.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can pick out empties, fulls, and consist. Refrigerated units.